Okay, we are live now. I hope so. Everyone is able to hear and see me. Just confirm on the chat so that we are good to go. Hello, everyone. Yes, great. Everyone is able to hear and see. Yes, that's awesome. I am able to see few of the messages, right? Okay. All good. People on LinkedIn able to hear me? Yes, great. Good evening, everyone. The Josh should be high today because something great is going to come, right? I think everyone is awesome, doing good. And yes, this is week 3. So fast the time is going on. Really, we are not sure like how fast the few weeks have passed, right? So that's what I was thinking. And really, thank you all. You all are awesome. I think 67 people have joined. What about people on LinkedIn? If you are able to see and hear me, just confirm with a yes on LinkedIn. Great, Tushar. Thank you. I'll just confirm on the Telegram group also, so that people join. Right. Just 1 second. Okay, great. Thank you all. I'm good. That's awesome. Thank you all for joining today's session. So, yes. Let people join. We will give 1 more minute and we'll start the session. I have my pen tab and the pen with me, right? So today's session will be an awesome session. I will go in depth about whatever the concepts I'm discussing, and those things tomorrow we will see on projects, right? How we are designing, what are the use cases we need to format, how you can keep it in the resume. Those things we will see tomorrow, right? So I hope that works for everyone, right? Yes. Yes, that's great. Good evening. Bachapati, right? All good? Yes. I have already shared in the Telegram link those PPTs and those documents, right? Please check. Today also I will share, right? Don't worry. So let me share my screen. So all of you are here. 105 people are here. Let me share my screen. Yes. Okay. That's good. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to start. Okay, that's great. I will save the things for you all. Yes. Great. Awesome. Let me share my screen. All of you are good. I hope so. Hi, Praveen. When are you? Yes, that's what we are talking. So let me share my screen. We will see what are the things we are going to do today. Okay. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. All of you have your pen and notebook ready? Yes. I hope you all have your pen and notebook ready. Right? Yes. Great. Thank you all. So yes, today is our grand launch of batch 3.0, right? And you all know that how my students have got placed in various organizations, right? Maybe Walmart, maybe NEC, Infosys, Sapient, Global Logic, your Techolution. First, I will go through all the details about the batch 3, and then we will work on the projects, right? All are good with that, right? All are good with that? Give me a yes. I will be showing you everything what you are going to get with this, right? Batch 3.0, right? Yes, all are good. Give me a yes. If you all are good, then we are going to go ahead with the next things. All are good. I will take hardly 5 minutes on these slides. Yes. What about others? Great. Always follow that. You have to give me a Y for yes and a N for no. Great. Okay, Mahindra, thank you all for joining. Great. Awesome. So all of you see here on the screen, this data is just small data. Okay. I have students who have got many other organizations, because all the things I have to show in one slide, I have kept this one. Okay. So you see Zynga, which the fresher has got, DXC, an experienced person, Nokia, again, an experienced person, Techolution, 2+ years of person have got Infosys, Sapient, Walmart, 5+ years of experience have got. The NAB, I think 2 to 3 years of experience person have got. And for more details, you can check out here, right? www.praveensingampally.com. That's where you will get the details, the next details, right? So let's go, right? Let's go to the next slide. What is this, right? So this is all the success stories from the previous batch students. And you know, I always target, right? I would like to tell you, I always target product-based companies, right? I always target product companies, right? All of you clear with this, right? This is very much important because at the end, all our dream is to move towards the product-based companies, right? All of you clear? Yes, no? Yes. All of our dream is to move toward one or the other product-based companies, right? I hope that is fine for you all, right? And we'll come to know many things going forward, right? Yes, I will take all your queries. Just give me some time, okay? I am able to see all of your queries. I will give time for your queries. Now you see, this is 400% hike who has got in Nokia, right? Nokia 400% hike, right? And you can see like how this person, Yogesh, is acknowledging me, right? All are able to see the screen, guys? Yes, no? Are you all able to see the screen? Yes. Please acknowledge me. Yes. Are you all able to see? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. Are you all able to see and hear me? Great. Now you see, this is the batch 1 student who is telling that he has got 2 offers recently, right? And he's telling he's from batch 1, right? And he got on-site opportunity also, right? So the content which I share, the knowledge which I share is all about how you make that knowledge convert into your job search, right? So many of you have been with me for a few weeks now. You saw how I teach. You saw how I make sure you prepare the projects, right? You saw what are the details you are going to get from the next batch, right? Now you see a person getting 2 offers, right, is a really big deal in current scenario, right? And he is getting the what you call the on-site opportunity also, right? If I just say like this one, you can see here on-site opportunity, right? All of you clear? Now you see the job offer in USA. Now whatever the people, whenever the person is getting job from my batch, I ask them whether I should mask your name, right, or not. So if the person says he's comfortable with not masking his name, I will put it, right? And if he's like okay, then I will mask the name, right? Now you see, this is on Cummins USA. Now you will see getting a job in USA was really difficult, right? Struggled for 8 months, right? And got the job offer, right? Correct? All of you clear? Now you see, this is Mercedes-Benz in Bangalore, right? Benz in Bangalore. And this is also a top product-based companies, right? So don't need to worry. I will explain in this batch like DevOps, SRE, whatever you are thinking, right? With every detailed explanation I will tell. So don't worry about that. Okay, all are clear how people are getting jobs. So again, I am telling, I have put 4 posts right on the slide, but you will see all the testimonials in this website, right? So if anyone wants to check, you can hit www.praveensingampally.com and check many other job opportunities, right? Now let's go ahead. What are the things from batch to my students have to say? Now I always tell, right, making sure I give the best content, right? Best content delivery I will do, right? The only thing what you have to make sure is you have to join all live sessions, right? All live sessions if you are opting for live sessions, if you are opting for the course, right? So those people who are joining every weekend live sessions, they will get so much things. Now you see this person, right? Shyam, right? He see, hi, I have joined Singham Bash 2 8 weeks DevOps bootcamp, right? With Praveen, and overall, I am having a positive experience. See, when you go to a website, okay, and you are asked to give a review, or you feel that the product is genuinely good, then how many of you give this much big paragraph review? How many of you are there who give this much big paragraph review? Can you tell me for any product, have you given such reviews? Anyone is there who is telling that, hey Praveen, I have given like 5 to 6 reviews here, Praveen, I have given like 8 9 sentence reviews here? Anyone can tell me? Like, see, no, right? I also don't give the review. I never give review more than 2 lines. But see what this person have to tell, right? The hands-on experience was one of the highlights for the program, right? That's the truth, guys. I make sure that you get the best, right? And you see, I felt like I'm learning a lot, so I give more content, right? I make sure you get more content, right? And you see, it is verified purchase, so you can get in touch with this person also, right? Great. Now you all see the curriculum was well designed, right? And my instructor is Praveen, right? And yes, he is telling soon he will be in my testimonials by cracking through his KT, right? So whatever you are seeing, all those are reviews from batch 2. Now see Azizul, he is from USA. You will find Azizul in LinkedIn also, right? You can search his name, see what he has to tell. Great teaching. And he's since 2014 he is in USA, right? And he's telling like Praveen deserves 5-star, right? I'm so much impressed with his depth of knowledge in DevOps. If possible, please do visit USA. Okay, so he's asking me to, yes, he's asking me to come. So as you all know, right, all the students are good and happy, right? Now Chandan is telling, I want to take and express my appreciation, right? And thank you all for what you are doing, right? And your passion for teaching is truly appreciative, right? Correct. All of you clear? Now you see Krishna, what he has to tell. He has been trying different sites and courses, right, in order to attain practical knowledge, right? But after joining the course batch 2, he's feeling confident now, right? He is out of his boundaries and he's just explaining the things like, okay, he has done something great. Okay, great. All of you got it, right? Now let's move forward. Let's see what are the next set of things we have. So all of you see, this is the batch 3.0 details, which I'm going to express you clearly. Now the start date is May 27th, 2 months course, right? And it is weekend live online classes, right? It's very much interesting once you are joining the course, right? And you will be here with the testimonials. Now let me ask you, how many of you want to be in this success story list? How many of you want to be in this success story list? Can you tell me? How many of you want to be in this success story list? How many? Can you tell me? Anyone want to be here stating that, hey Praveen, I got a product based offer, right? Anyone is there? Javed is there. What about others? Others don't want job. Others are happy with what they are doing, right? Others are happy with what they are doing. You don't want to upskill yourself. You don't want to get good jobs, right? I'm coming to those points. So see all these things, all of you see here, 12 plus real-time hands-on project, right? These are the beautiful things. These projects you can directly map into resume, right? Put in resume, right? So those projects I will design. And this is specifically for batch 3, what I'm giving, right? You will see the add-ons which I'm giving in the batch 3. So all of you see, right? What are the add-ons for batch 3? You see extra doubt clearing sessions. So every week we will have the doubts clearing session for everyone, right? Extra projects with documents. So more projects in this batch 2, batch 3 you will see, right? Job support I'm going to give specifically for batch 3.0, right? So 1, 2, job support, how I am giving, I will take few extra sessions, right? And after completion of the course, so you will be with me for few more days, few more weeks. If anyone is interested, I will be specifically talking one-to-one, or I will take a bunch of people and we will be talking on how we can make it better, how we can make your job search better, right? Now you see job support via resume to HR direct connect, because all of you know I have few HR contacts and I'm doing from last few months, but for batch 1 and batch 2 it was not there. Batch 1 and 2 it was not there, right? And for batch 3 I'm keeping this for you all, right? Exclusive for batch 3. And what is the bonus you will get it? Resume reviews. I will make sure you are getting more resume reviews. You will get more mock interviews. You will get live feedback, right? When I do the mock interview in front of everyone, I will give the live feedback for you, and interview questions, tool wise discussions we will do, right? Okay, all of you clear, right? Yes, all of you clear this slide? Are you all clear? So many of you have given the queries, right? It's weekly sessions. So you see Saturday and Sunday, right? All your queries will be solved here, right? Saturday and Sunday, 3 hours each session, right? And 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? The session timings will be every Saturday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? Okay, all of you clear? Any questions here? Any questions? Any questions you have in this case? Let's discuss. No prerequisites, nothing. You just join. I will make sure you get all the important things from my end, right? So this is what the batch 3.0 has to say for you all. So what will you get today if you join, right? Register today to get 35% huge discount, right? This is only for, yeah, content cover. I will tell you, I'm coming to that, right? 35% huge discount on course. Go to this website, go to courses, select batch 3.0, apply coupon 𝐔𝐿𝐴𝐻35, right? And this will be the early bird offer, valid for next few hours. So those who are watching me, this is, yes, everyone has the same offer. So what I would like to tell, you will get a dedicated Telegram group with chat option also. So this coupon will get expire in next few hours. Okay, will get expire in next few hours. Okay, all of you clear? So those who are willing to buy the course, right, now you can check, right, in the website, right, what is the course details and everything. Now, yes, recordings are available. Yes, recordings are available. If you miss, live and recordings both will be available. Okay, all of you clear? Yes, notes also, guys. Okay, notes, documents, along with the recordings, I will give everything. Okay, I will give everything. This will be from basics. Okay, all are clear till here? Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Yes. 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 How many tools? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Just wait. Okay, this is the monitoring class which we are going to do. So don't leave the class, right? The advanced monitoring which we are going to start by 4:30 p.m. Right? In another 10 minutes, we'll start this class. So what you will get today, you will see the Splunk integration with Spring Boot application, the Grafana integration with database, and the Prometheus setup. Content covered, I will show you. So all of you see here what I'm going to do. So I will make you walk through over the website, right? All of you see here. So you need to go to this website, www.praveensingampalli.com, and you have to click on the courses, right? So once you have come on the courses, you see every time I make sure I give the best to the students, right? So earlier the batch 2 was at this cost, and if you see, if you are not opting by today, right, the course might increase, right? Now if I click on this, you will see everything, right? Everything in detail. Batch 3, the ultimate DevOps job ready course, right? 27th May 2023, 8 weeks preparation for mock interviews and everything. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, Saturday and Sunday. 3+ hours of core teaching with project discussion and practice. Okay, all of you clear? All of you clear? Now you see early bird offer is ending in next 7 hours. So if you are interested, right, if you are interested, you can just check the details. Now you see 30 LPA was the highest package in my consideration. 2000 plus learners, 15 LPA is the average package what my students have got. And yes, tools cover I will show you. So all of you see here, session 1, session 2, you will see the contents here, what contents I'm going to teach, right? And you will see doubts clearing session is specifically for you, right? Yes, all of you see, now you will see something like your project's content, Docker. You will see the Kubernetes in depth. You will see again the doubts clearing session. You will see the Python automation, and you can come here. What are the contents we are going to cover? You will see here contents, right? And the chatbot automation, very much important, right? very, very much important. And I would like to tell you all, if you see the content, okay, how many of you are thinking this cost is more? I would like to tell you, if you click on this, you will get the coupon code, right? You all of you have the coupon code. See, all of you click on this enroll now button. All of you see, click on this enroll now button. The batch 2 was at 4.2 cost, and if you see, click on enroll now, you will get the discount of 2,800, right? And this is 5,200, and you can proceed with paying that, right? All of you clear? And this is valid for the next 7 hours, right? And that's what I would like to tell. Why there is a difference of cost? Because of these things, add-ons, what you are getting, extra doubts clearing session, yes, and everything, whatever you have seen, right? I will put my more strength, more energy in this, right? And you all can get many good things. And this is what the cost is, because of more projects I'm bringing in, and all those things you will get. And this will end in next 7 hours. So all of you see the content, and you will see resume building. You will see interview questions, discussion at the end, right? Now, I hope you all are clear, right? All of you clear? Now, all of you see in the YouTube live, right? All the descriptions, right? All the links are in the description, right? If I show you here, right? Yes, all the links are in the description. So if you see, right, enroll here, the price, today's price is 5,200, not this one, 5,200, and you need to apply Singham 35, right? And if you see here, I have pinned the comment. So if you click on the link, it will take you to the bash 3.0, right? All of you clear? Yes. And you see chatbots, advanced concept we will see, right? Chatbots, how we are going to create the Slack bot, Telegram bot, how we are going to design the Kubernetes cluster, how we are going to do the in-depth hands-on practice for all the things, right? And yes, you will get the notes and you will get everything. Okay, all are clear? All are clear? Now, just give me a yes if you all are clear, right? Give me a yes if you all are clear. Yes, you will get notes. You will get notes. What you will get? You will get notes. Okay, you will get. Okay, let me put it in this way. Okay, you will get notes, class notes basically. Okay, class notes. You will get PDF. You will get hands-on document. You will get recordings, right? You will get doubts clearing session, right? And all those things. Yes, all of you clear, right? Great. I hope you all are clear, right? And these all things are clear for you. Now let's start our today's session. It's 4:27 p.m. Yes, all are clear. Yes, it's good enough for the people to, yeah, I will take some queries before I start here. I will take some queries. Please ping your queries. I will be happy to take, right? Okay, take your queries. Yes, fresher can try. Is it good? Okay, what you are telling, is it good enough for people new to DevOps from testing background? Yes, I have many people who have moved from testing to your DevOps, DBA to DevOps. So I think that should be fine. Installments are not there, unfortunately. Yes, recording valid till you get the job. Possibility is 1 year, right? So I think that should be fine. Within 1 year is whatever target is, you all should get the jobs, right? And yes, fresher, yes. Previous experience needed, no previous experience is needed. All should be fine. 2014 pass out, yes, you can join. Any questions on LinkedIn? People on LinkedIn, you can ask me, right? Yes. Okay, where are you taking queries from? I am taking the queries from the YouTube live, right? So both the places the stream is happening, in YouTube live as well as on the LinkedIn. So Sumit, you can find all the links on the LinkedIn post, right? Freshers are not getting calls. We will work together and make sure it will happen, right? Now, what is this? Duration is less for each tool. Can this be finished in 3 hours? Yes, it will be finished in 3 hours, Chetan. Over the future, in next 5 years, it will be growing. People are just creating the havoc, but yes, DevOps will grow in the future days, right? Now, is it job guarantee? Yes, it's a job guarantee. If you work hard with me, we will both be succeeding in that, right? Okay, any questions, any queries? We have 2 more minutes. Any queries? Any queries? Okay, what will be the add-ons benefit, would you think, if already working as DevOps engineer? You will get the hands-on projects, you will get the confidence, you will get so much of things which you have not seen till now, right? So I think that will be the best answer for you. Who is this? Hey, Praveen and team, good day. Having 4.5 years of experience in CRM, but want to switch to DevOps specific. I already connect with you on TopMate, Rohan this side. Yes, Rohan, you can definitely join, as I think I have told you, right, how this is going to work, and you have joined. Thank you for that. Great. Senthil, thank you. You have enrolled. I have seen few of the people. Bro, don't have prior knowledge, but want to crack internal job opportunity in Amazon. Yes, you will be able to do it. We will work together, right? We will work together and crack that, right? Is there any chance of having class timing bit later? I am in UK and timing is bit odd for me. See, the thing is, right, Archana, in batch 2 and 3, people wanted the morning session because people think that morning the energy is more, right? I'm in IST timings, but because you are in UK, I'm sorry for that, right? But you can definitely join, because I have many students from UK, and you see USA also people have joined. So make sure you are just planning the things accordingly, right? Okay. Now beginner can join. Yes, beginner can join. Yes, you can join. Can you increase the early bird offer? It's difficult, right? Because it's for Telegram community and the YouTube community, those who are joining live. So make sure you are watching that. People say that Helm in placements, when the course is completed, they okay, it's not like this here, right? If you come to me with a query, right, and I will be resolving that, Samarth. Okay, I'm working in BPO sector, can I get DevOps job? Yes, you can get it, so no worries, right? Please quickly put your queries. We don't want to waste time. Please put your queries. Okay, currently I'm in TCS. Okay, what is that? Currently I'm in TCS. TCS, can you help until I switch my next job? See, what is this, right? Until you switch for next job means what is your plan, right? I wanted to know, like, how much time would you take, right, in order to make sure that you get a job, right? My intention is, right, I will give the job support, right, as I've told you for batch 3, right, till people are getting jobs. Once I see that people are getting jobs from batch 3, so probably that is the time I will understand that all the people are together and they are working fine, right? So that is what I would say. What monitoring tool we use today, I have already shown you, Grafana, Prometheus, and monitoring. This sounds good. We will work together. Yes, Aditya, that's what I have to say. SD role is different, little bit. First is session starting from which date? 27th May. The first session is going to launch, right? Operating system, Linux or Postgres. Okay. So all of you see, this is what you have to see. I will just make it discard, and these are the things you will have to see, right? Bash 3.0 start date is 27th May. 2 months course, Saturday and Sunday, 12 plus real-time projects, extra doubt clearing sessions, extra projects with documents, job support via few extra sessions, and after completion of course, job support via resume to HR, direct connect, and bonus sessions are this. And you can go to my website, www.praveensingampalli.com, and select batch 3.0, apply coupon Singham35 valid for next few hours, so that you are with me, right? And this is valid for next few hours, right? So I can make it like a little bit like this, valid for next few hours, right? Now, all of you clear, right? Shall we start with our session today? Yes. Are you all clear? Yes. Batch 3 fees, you can check in the website. I have pinned in the comment section also. In the comment section, I have pinned. So please check that, right? All of you clear? All the payment options are valid now, right? Please check that, and please watch. I will give maybe 3-4 minutes for you all to make sure you go through the website, you understand the things, you come up with the queries. Shall I give 2 minutes time? Yes. Shall I give 2 minutes time for everyone to understand the things? Yes, no? Yes, all are clear? Do you want 2 minutes time? Do you want 2 minutes time? Yes. Okay, please go through the website and please register yourself, right? I will wait for you all, and then we will start the advanced monitoring class, right? Today's class. Please take time. All of you see this. Please take time and go to the website, apply the code. I will give 2-3 minutes because after this, after this session, right? Probably the discount offer might vary or something might happen, right? And it's limited slots are there for this, right? So definitely, yes, I will be covering the YAML files as I've told you. So shake, right? So please check that, right? Okay, please check. Meanwhile, I will just see the things. What are your queries? What are your additional things, right? So please ask me in the query. Please check the website, how the things are, how the contents are designed for you, right? What you will get, right? And what are the details, how you can talk with the students, how the students are getting placed in various organizations. Yes, people on LinkedIn, what about you all? All are clear? Yes, people on LinkedIn are silent. I don't know. Okay, that's fine. All are clear, guys? Yes. Yes, no. Great. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. I will give 2 more minutes. Please register yourself and we will start the class now, right? Probably after the live, might be there are chances that seats are completed, or I wanted to make sure only the serious candidates are with me, serious students are with me, unlike the batch 1 and batch 2, right? So make sure you are with me, right? For next few minutes, I will wait and we will start the class. Okay. Clear? I will wait for 2 more minutes. Please check the website, right? 2 minutes wait time, right? Please check the website. Please check the website and come back, right? So that we are on track, right? And please enroll yourself if you are with me, right? Yes. Okay, great. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Okay, for this 2 minutes, the course fee of cost. 27th May, this is too long. This is not too long. Every time it's happening the same, right? It takes two weeks to make the student understand what are the things we are going to follow, how the batch is designed and everything, right? Yes. For this 2 minutes, make the course. Yes. Great. Sort of, and everyone, right? When you want something, right, you have to utilize some resources on yourself, right? That's what I think. And I think that's the thing, and that's how the life makes us to go. Hi Praveen, I am from UK. I'm looking for job in AWS and DevOps. If I join this course, will you be able to help me to get a job in UK or globally remote? Akansha, see, the thing is, I have few contacts in London, UK, but getting job there, I'm not sure. Okay, I will make sure you get all the details what you need for the job, and we both will work together, right? Everyone, like in the class, will work together, right? That's what I can say, right? What about networking in the sense, see, Linux networking we will cover, right? So make sure you are having that. So is there option to pay in euros or INR instead of dollars? INR is there, Archana, but I think because you are from Canada, right? I think that will not work, because you have to pay in dollars, I think. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, all of you. Okay, so one more thing here, the catch is, okay, let me take out my notes. Yes, I am opening my notes. So yes, your session 5 monitoring is here. So yes, let's start. So guys, all of you here on the screen, please. Okay, all of you see what we are learning today. Monitoring we are learning. Okay, and before this, the coupon code, right? Coupon code is valid for next few hours. Okay, so if you don't want to miss, or it's like price will be high or anything, right? So please check that. Okay, so this is I'm telling, right? Okay, all of you see here what are the things going to happen, right? And before that, I would like to tell you all a few things. Just give me some time, right? Okay, we are going to start the monitoring in 1 more minute. Just give me some time. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 more minute. Yeah, I hope that's fine, right? Okay, meanwhile, I will take some more queries to you all, right? Yes, class is from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Oh, what issues you are having, right? Okay. Computer networking, see, computer networking we will not learn, right? Praveen, can you include more things around? Yes, K8s are there, Helms are there, Helm charts are definitely there. Without the Helm charts, it's difficult, right? Helm charts are there, so don't worry about that. Okay. All are clear, right? Okay, what are the other queries? Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, everyone, right? Previous or something, right? This is 100% job offer to complete. See, that is what I'm telling. I see a free DevOps playlist. Yeah, honey, that is different. This is different. Yes, Python is also available. You can see the course content, right? Python is also available. See, lab coordinators are not there, but I will make sure with document, with written steps, I will give everything to you, right? Okay, this is basically AWS DevOps, which you will be learning with me, right? And that's what the thing is. Okay, clear? Please share the content of this job. That okay. No, wait, Anshu, it will take time. So go to your courses tab. Wait, okay, don't worry, it will come. Okay. Any other queries? Any confirmation? Yes, you will get to your registered email ID. Sir, I am from non-IT. Do you think I can get a job in DevOps? Yes, you can get it, right? I'm teaching AWS Jerome, JM. Yes. Any other queries? All of you clear, right? Join channel. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Our project based on real-time scenarios? Yes, it's real-time scenarios. Okay. All of you clear? We are going to start. Okay. We are going to start the class. Now, I think we have taken good amount of time. 100 people are here, right? Okay, let's start the class. Okay, enough of questions, right? I think we are good. So let's start the class. I will close everything from my tab. Okay. Okay, come back to this. Come back to this. So what we are learning today, we will be learning the monitoring today, right? We will see what is the Splunk actually doing, what your Grafana integration with database is, and what is your Prometheus looks like, right? So let's see what are the things going to happen, right? Okay, now let's go to the first slide. So basically we need to understand like why Splunk is needed. Okay, all of you see here on the screen. So we need to understand, and whatever you are seeing, this will the projects for tomorrow. Okay, projects for tomorrow. Okay, all of you clear? So you see why Splunk monitoring is important, right? Splunk is a tool which actually helps you to get your logs, right? And not only logs, it will make sure like you analyze the system performance, right? Analyze system performance, like you are seeing, right? What are the pointers here, right? Analyze system performance, troubleshoot any failure condition in your system, right? Monitor business metrics, search and investigate a particular outcome, create dashboards, visualize and analyze results, store and retrieve data for later use. Now, this is very much important for anyone to understand how the things are going on, right? Now, you see how the things we are planning to make ahead, right? So, you see, when I'm talking about system performance, which is very much important, guys, very much important. And why we need system performance? Basically, whatever our infra you see, right? Infra, all our systems, right? Somewhere or the other, the components are running, the what you call the systems are running, the machines are running at the end, right? Now the system performance is very much important, and troubleshoot any failure condition. Now this is the second most important condition. Now let's take, you have your system EC2 instance, and now you are deploying an application here, right? And suddenly this application is not working. So how do you troubleshoot it, right? Many see that you say that you just see the logs inside the system, right? But tell me one thing, checking the logs, do you think is really good, right? Inside the system, right? Do you think it's inside the system it's good? What do you think? Tell me, right? Checking the logs inside the system is good, or some dashboard is there where you actually see the logs. Which one is good? You all tell me, like, which one is good, right? Which one is good? And please like the video, guys. Like target for this video is 100 likes. Please do the like. I think 111 people are watching me. Please like the video, right? Dashboards are good, right? All of you clear, right? You all see the dashboards are good, right? Dashboards are good, right? Yes. So that is where the monitoring has came into picture. The entire systems, the entire infra monitoring, the entire application level monitoring, the entire systems, right? Whatever you see are now based on your monitoring, right? And I can say, like, you can be the SRE engineer also, like, right? So what SRE does, SRE is all about your site reliability engineer, right? So what does this mean? Site, right? So suppose you have a system, right? System. So how that system is reliable, how that system is working properly or not, all those things from this reliability we will get it, right? So now you see, monitor business metrics, whatever your entire business is going on, whether it is going on good, bad, or it is in different state, all the things you can visualize with the Splunk. Search and investigate a particular outcome. Now I will give you a use case. All of you have to tell me an answer for this, right? So I have an application, right, and which is taking the orders for me. Okay, all of you see, this is the application which is taking orders for me, right? Now in this orders, what will happen, right? This orders, what will happen is basically, once the order has come in, right, in between the payment and the order, right, order placement and the payment, there is an issue, right? Let's take you get an error like maybe 500 internal server error. Okay, all of you clear? I'm giving you a use case from which you will understand what are the things going on, right? Okay, now you see, I'm getting a 500 internal server error between the order placing and the payment page, right? So how you will debug it, right? So let's see, this application is integrated with the Splunk, right? This application is integrated with the Splunk. So how do you think that, okay, these two are going to help me, right? So all of you see here, the beauty lies here, right? So all of you see here, when there is an orders app, right? And in this orders app, I am placing an order, right? And in payment page, right? In payment page, I got an error, right? So how do you check? And the error is, let's take 500 internal server error, right? 500 internal error, right? So tell me, how do you think that you will make sure that that error is visible in the dashboard? So you see, we have the Splunk dashboard here, right? This is your Splunk dashboard. And guys, the beauty of Splunk is in the dashboard, right? All the logs, right? So this is a log, right? These logs are sent to the Splunk dashboard. Okay, all of you clear? Now, in the Splunk dashboard, there are few components. Okay, like component 1, component 2, component 3, which is actually helping us to visualize these logs. Okay, now the main thing what I would like to tell is, when I search here with 500 internal server error, guys, where I am searching this error? Everyone, where I am searching this error? Everyone have to tell me, please. Where I am searching this error? Everyone, please. Yes, all are clear. Where I am searching? I am searching in Splunk, correct? And it will give me all the methods, right? All the post-mortem kind of thing, post-mortem details, right, over dashboard. Okay, with this, what will happen? With this, what will happen, guys? Your analysis becomes easy, right? You can able to access the things very easily, right? All of you clear what I'm going to tell, right? Your analysis part becomes easy, right? Now with this, what are the things going to happen? All of you, analyzation of logs become easy, becomes easy. Root cause, as I always tell, root cause analysis becomes easy, right? Right? Time and efforts are reduced. All of you are writing notes, right? Please write down the notes, right? So that we all are on the same page. Yes? All of you clear? Yes, no? Yes? Great. Okay. All of you clear, right? Now let's see like how this 500 internal server is coming. Now all of you need to understand, guys, when there is an application, when application is sending logs, right? How that logs are sent to the dashboard. Does anyone know? Splunk dashboard. Does anyone know how this happens? Guys, please tell me if anyone knows this. How does this transfer of the logs from the application to dashboard happens? Anyone knows? Yes, no? People on LinkedIn, what about you all? Are you all with me? We should integrate. That's what I'm asking. So do you know how we integrate actually? Okay, Splunk agents. What else? Polling. What else? API call. Anything else do you remember? Like, okay, if we do this, this will happen. Anything sort of that do you know? By creating alerts? No. Okay, let me tell you. So that's what you will learn in my class, right? So you will see in tomorrow project, right? You will see how we are integrating an app with Splunk, and we will see the metrics in dashboard, right? Dashboard, right? And all those things. Okay, you didn't heard about Splunk. So this is one of the very important tool, right? And very, very much useful for today's, what you call like today's monitoring engineering, right? File bit and everything. Okay, that's fine. Now, I hope this is clear. So all of you see, we are in the first slide only, sense of machine generated log data. Now, you all need to understand the usage of logs, the usage of machine data, which is growing exponentially over the decades, right, is making us to use these kind of tools, right? And you see, Splunk is one such monitoring tool which helps us to make the sensible data out of the logs, right? That's where I am trying to make you understand. Splunk helps us to make the sensible data generation out of the logs. All are clear with this? Yes. All are clear? All are clear with this? Yes, no? Guys, please like the video, right? Like target is 100, right? Please like the video. Yes. Now let's go to the slide 2. I will show you some real-time scenario usage of Splunk, guys. Okay. So what does that mean? This is very much important and very, very much useful. Now we see Bosch, right? Robert Bosch is a company, right, which is using the Splunk data analytics. Now this is a real-time use case which I wanted to keep it so that you understand like in real time how this is happening, right? So Bosch is a company which is using the Splunk for data analytics. Okay. Now what they are doing, they have their healthcare. Okay, let me take another color. Okay, they have their healthcare domain, right? Healthcare domain, basically. Right? They have their healthcare domain. Now, what is happening in this use case is when they are watching this, right? When they are watching this, they found that in the healthcare domain, the doctors and the patients, right, are not able to interact better. The doctor sometimes doesn't know what the patient is having the symptoms. The patient in turn doesn't know what doctor is suggesting, right? So this is the use case for us, and this is a real-time use case which I am telling for you all and how it has been helping us. Just see here, right? So what they did now, they introduced something like sensors, right, both on the patient side, right, and the doctor side. Now, what doctor will have? Doctor will always have the access to monitor the data. Now you see, let's take blood pressure, let's take some other levels, right? Let's take heartbeat, right? So this sensor will take the data and send to the Splunk. Now, if you imagine, right, I have 10 pages of logs. All of you see here, I have 10 pages of logs. Out of this 10 pages, I only need 2 pages of logs. So how I will scrutinize that, how I will make sure that all the details are properly given, all the details are good. So you need to see, from 10 pages, I am making it 2 pages, right? It means that, right, in this 2 pages, I am using this Splunk, right? I am using this Splunk in order to make sure from 10 pages, I am drilling down to 2 page, and doctor is able to see what the data is needing from the system, right? At the same time, there is patient interface also, where he will see the alerts, metrics, the dashboards and everything, right? All are clear? Yes, yes, no. And one of the good things about Splunk is, here you will see the Splunk architecture. What does Splunk doing? What actually it is doing, right? Yes, all of you clear? Yes, no? Yes, great. 20 more likes, we are good to go. All of you clear? Give me a Y. Give me a Y if you all are clear. Yes. I'm waiting for your Y if you all are clear. Right? Yes. Great. Now let's move forward. We will see what is this Splunk architecture, how this is behaving. Right? So you see, there are primarily 3 different stages in data pipeline. So logs, right, is nothing but your data, right? And we are creating something called your pipeline, right? This is called as like data pipeline. Okay, data pipeline. Okay, so all of you see here, there are primarily 3 different stages in data pipeline which can be mapped to the Splunk architecture. So one is data input stage, data storage stage, and data searching stage. All of you clear? Right? So you see, this is the data pipeline and how we are mapping this data pipeline with the Splunk architecture. Okay. Now you see, what is the input for the Splunk, or what is the actual entire driving force for the Splunk is your data, right? Your data is the only, yes, Splunk is an open source, but in open source, there are few limitations which we will see tomorrow. Okay. Yes, Rajaram. Now you see, when you give the input data, right? Now there is an parsing, right? I told you, 10-page data, I have to convert into the 2-page data, correct? There is a parsing happening. And I told you, right? There is an app 1, there is an app 2, right? How Splunk will know which data is for app 1 and which data is from app 2? Any guesses how Splunk will know? People on LinkedIn, what about you all? People on LinkedIn, what about you all? How will you tell that, okay, my Splunk is actually interacting with that particular application? What do you think? Why everyone is silent? Do you know how application 1 and application 2 are differentiated on Splunk dashboard? Anyone? Anyone know? All are silent now. Okay. Do you want by creating rules? No. Any other person who wants to give a try? Any other thing? Any other thing? No idea. No idea. No idea. Okay. Anyone else? Labels a little bit closer. Port number. Any other thing? Versioning, no, let me tell you. Okay, someone has told that answer, but yeah, let me complete that. So all of you see here, one of the important thing is index. Okay, I will tell you in the coming slides, right? So there is a system called index, right? And the app one is given the index one, and the app two is given the index two. And with this data is flown to the dashboard with this index one, and this data is flown to the dashboard with the help of index two. Right? All are clear? Yes. Now you need to understand some things, right? I will clear all the things. Okay. Now you see what are the things we are going to do. Data input stage, right? So you see this is the data pipeline which we were seeing, right? In the data input stage, what we are getting, the raw stream of data from its own origin gets divided, right? And divides into the each block with metadata keys during this stage, right? So as you all know, right, data input just takes the input data, right, and parse the data, right? Parse the data is here, right? It is just parsing the data, and we have something like your data storage, right? You see data storage contains two parts of indexing. Now I have told you index, right? So this Splunk software, right, explores and evaluates and converts data during this parsing. So how this parsing is happening? Suppose I want some keywords, right? Keywords. So the parsing can happen based on the keywords, right? Based on keywords, right? The parsing can happen based on keywords, right? All of you clear, right? It can also happen on the base of what you call the labels, as someone was telling, right? Identifying, parsing, and establishing timestamps with timestamps. Correct? Yes. Individual events are annotated with metadata copied from source file. So everything plays, or the parsing happens with these things, right? All of you note it down. The keywords, the labels, the timestamps, right? So you see during the indexing phase, Splunk software needs to write parsed events to disk index. So once the parsing is done based on the keywords, labels, and timestamps, right? You see when it is going to happen the index, right? Then it is storing the data into the DB, right? And when someone is searching in the Splunk, from that DB the logs are coming. All are clear with this slide? Okay, you said indexing. I said you said indexing. That's true, right? Yes, correct. Honey, you are correct. Indexing is like giving the unique ID to the apps. So let's say like, okay, let's say like this app one has index one, and this app two has index two, right? So this is like giving unique IDs, and the Splunk will read. Tomorrow we will see whatever I am telling. Tomorrow we will see in the project. Okay. Now you see Splunk components. So all of you see, this is the data pipeline, right? So this is the data pipeline, which is very helpful, very important, right? Now you see there are three main components in Splunk, right? Splunk forwarder, right? Now you see what are the three main components of Splunk. All of you understand here: Splunk forwarder, Splunk indexer, and Splunk head, right? So what is Splunk forwarder, right? Used for data forwarding. So forward, right? Forward, right? It means from somewhere it is forwarding the data to some point, right? Point one. Let's think like this is point one, this is point two. Okay, clear? Now you see what is Splunk indexer. As I've told you, parsing and indexing the data, right? Right? Now you see search head is a GUI used for searching, analyzing, and reporting. Clear? Yes, no? Right? Clear? Yes, great. Yes, easy to understand. That's great. 15 more likes are pending, guys. Like target on this video is 100. Like target on video is 100. Right? Please like it. And if anyone wants to join batch 3.0, where more projects are there, more energy is there, more doubts clearing sessions are there, job support is there, you can definitely click on the link which I have pinned on the comment section, live chat, right? So you see what is Splunk Forwarder. First of all, we will understand what is Splunk Forwarder. Splunk Forwarder is a component which you must use for collecting the logs. So let's take 1, 2, 3, and this is my app, right? So the Splunk Forwarder is taking the logs, right? So this is like collecting the logs, right? So who is the log collector for our machine, right? Who is the log collector for our Splunk? Basically, what happened, guys? All of you, who is the forwarder for our app, right? Who is the actual intake component for our Splunk? This is the forwarder, right? Forwarder is our Splunk actual log intake, right? Now you see there are two types of forwarders. One is universal forwarder, the other one I will tell you, but just map it, na? Map it to this one, right? In this case, in the indexer, you see the parsing and indexing is happening at the same stage, indexer, and you see searching head, this one, right? Clear? Yes. Great. Awesome. Awesome, right? Now, all of you need to understand few things here. When you are telling something, right? When you are telling like data input is our forwarder, the parser, now you see these both things are combined to indexer, right? So indexer case will have the parsing and the indexing both, and the searcher is searching itself, right? So let's move to the next slide. What is this? This is universal forwarder, which is used by everyone, and this is heavy forwarder. So you see what this heavy forwarder is doing. It is something like when you have heavy workloads, heavy logs, right? You could use heavy forwarder to solve half of your problem, because one level of data processing occurs at the source before data is forwarded to the indexer. So you see, before the indexer forwarding only, the parsing is happening. Okay, all of you clear? So earlier what happened? Earlier in the indexing, the parsing was happening, right? But now before the indexing, the parsing is happening, right? In the heavy forwarder. Okay, now you see what is Splunk indexer. As I've told you, identifying each application logs, via index. All are clear? Prometheus, I will tell in a little bit of time. Okay, now what is Splunk search head, by the way, right? What is Splunk search head? All of you see what is Splunk search head? So in this search head, what will happen is, right? So you see this is generic component, okay, and interacts with Splunk. It gives user graphical interface. So whatever you are seeing on the Splunk dashboard, it is just the Splunk search head, right? All of you clear? Had one question, please ask Samarth. Where you search log, Imtiaz? We search logs on Splunk header. Okay, Splunk head is basically console, right? Console. Clear, all of you? Yes, no, guys? GUI. Yes, basically a GUI. Okay. Yes. Great. Awesome. Now let's go ahead. Let's see what are the other things we have. There's Splunk advanced architecture, I would say, right? So what other things in this architecture comes into the picture, right? So all of you see here, right? Advanced Splunk architecture, right? So you see data input is happening, right? Data input is happening to the Splunk, right? Correct. Yes. Now when this data input is happening, right? Now you see whatever the forwarders are there, right? Who is taking the input data, by the way? right? Who is taking the input data? Yes. Who is taking the input data? The forwarders, as we have discussed, right? The forwarders are taking the input data, right? And you see from various source, this is, let's take application 1, right? And this is application, again, let's take like 2 and application 3. All of you see what this is things are, right? Application 1, application 2, application 3, right? Now you need to understand, when you do the forwarders, right? When you do the Splunk forwarders, you see we are using the same index, right? Index 1, right? Here also index 1. And if you see, this is also using the index 1. So what does this mean? All of you see, what does this mean actually? All of you, please tell me, what does this mean? Everyone, guys, are you with me? So multiple applications are using same indexers. Are you clear? Yes, no? Guys, so it's not like one-to-one index mapping, but multiple applications can use the same index. But with that, what are the disadvantages? The disadvantage is that you will not be able to filter out the logs, right? That's where the difficulty is. Now you see search head, you see there is something like your GUI, right? Your interface, right, is this one. So 3 components. Component 1 is this one, component 2 is this one, component 3 is this one. Okay, now let's go forward. Now what is the project for tomorrow? Guys, still here, are you all good? What about the people on LinkedIn? Are you all good? People on LinkedIn, good? Uday, all good till now? Okay, I will explain the project once. Are you all clear? Yes. Clear, right? What about others? 85 people are watching. What about others? Yes, great. Awesome. Now let's move forward. Let's see what are the things we are having here. Yes. Now you see tomorrow's project is designed like this somewhat, and I'll be making sure I will give every detailed data for you, right? So tomorrow there is a Java application, Java Spring Boot application, Java Spring Boot app. Okay, in this app we will use logging statements, okay, logging statements, and we will have some configuration files, okay, like you see SL4J, right? And you see log4j-spring.xml, right? So these are like integration, right? We will integrate with all the libraries, right? Logging statements, your configuration files, your libraries, okay, dependencies, basically dependencies, okay, all those things we will integrate with your Java Spring Boot, okay, and we will install the Splunk, right? We will install the Splunk, and we will create the index, and we will route the logs from here to here. All of you clear tomorrow's project? All of you? Yes, no? Yes, no? Clear? I hope you all are clear. Give me a yes, at least 20 yes if you all are clear with this. Yes. Yes, clear? A 20 yes. Okay, Mohammed is telling never using Splunk before, but the flow is clear to me. Great. All are clear? Great. So tomorrow we will be doing this, and we'll be visualizing all the logs, all the application logs on to the Splunk. Okay. Great. Awesome. Awesome. What about others? Clear? People on LinkedIn clear? I have project 2 also for you. Okay, great. So tomorrow we are doing 2 projects, guys. Are you all happy? We are doing 2 projects tomorrow. Yes. Are you all happy? Tomorrow there are two projects, project 1 and project 2. All are happy? Yes. Super, super duper. Okay, project 2 I am going to explain now. Right? Great. All are happy. Please make 100 likes. Okay. No, free bootcamp doesn't consist anything. Free bootcamp consists the data sharing, the knowledge sharing. Prerequisites, no prerequisites. Come and I will teach you everything from scratch. Okay. Yes, smileys are awesome. You all are awesome. Always like you keep the energy high. What about people on LinkedIn? I will just check all are there happy or not. How many people are watching? I don't know on LinkedIn probably. Right. Yes, Azizul. Great. Azizul has joined. That's great, Azizul. So yes. I guess Splunk don't have own DB or we have to attach DB. Splunk has its own DB. So don't worry about the database. We will see tomorrow. Right. What about others? Great. Awesome. Yes. Give me smileys, some confidence. Right. Awesome. You all are awesome. Right. Great. Now, only require prerequisite Spring Boot only. No, Varsh, just come directly and I will teach you everything. And anyways, I'm sharing the document in Telegram link, right? You can join there, right? And you can be part of that, right? And yes, I hope you all are good. Great. Now, just I want to tell you again, right? So this is the batch 3, which I'm going to start dedicatedly for the new people, right? And we are targeting more jobs now. The students who have got placed in Infosys, your Walmart, your product based companies, your Airtel, right? All those students are very happy now, right? And they are having their dream job with them, right? So those who want to join, right? Those who want to join, please make sure you are joining this batch 3.0, right? And today's discount is 35% of huge discount, right? And whatever the content I give, right, it will be the top notch. You will hardly spend some rupees on this, but the content which you get will make you job ready. The way I am talking, the way I am teaching you all, right, the way I am guiding, the way I have cracked jobs at Amazon, your other companies, all my expertise I'll be sharing with you in depth, right? So that is where I want everyone to be here, right? And you will get so many things, right? Use coupon code SINGHAM35, which is valid for next few hours, right? So decide how you want to become in next 2 months, where you want to stand, right? And these are some students who have got placed from the batches, previous batches. So you see job offer in USA, job offer in Mercedes Benz, job offers, on-site opportunity, 400% hike. And not only this 4 screenshots I have, not only these 4 students have got jobs, but many of them have got jobs. And you can check out all details in my website, right? www.praveensinghampalli.com. And you see, this is the consolidated place where my students have got jobs. So what I would say is, if you are missing the opportunity of being the part of the batch 3, right, then I can't do anything, right? But if you see, as we progress over the days, the cost also increases, right? In every batch, that is what the trend has been followed. So if anyone is willing to join, you can see all the links in the description, right? All the links in the YouTube video description. And if you are part of Telegram, you can be also part of that. Okay, clear, right? Right. Yes. Now let's go to Grafana, right? Let's see like what does this Grafana do? What are the things it is doing? Yes. Now why Grafana is needed? What is the difference between the Grafana and everything? Let's see. Okay. Now, Grafana is basically a dashboard. Okay. Now, what is the main difference between your Splunk and Grafana? Okay. So Splunk is basically stores the data, and Grafana doesn't store data. Okay. Grafana doesn't store data. It gives dashboards. It gives dashboards. Okay. Please note it down on your notes, right? It gives limited dashboards, right? Only in terms of your application logs or something, right? Point number one, point number two, point number three, I will write here. It integrates, Splunk gets integrated with less tools. Okay. Grafana can be integrated with any tool. All of you clear? Grafana can be integrated with any tool. Right? Clear? Yes. Yes, no. Clear all the 3 pointers? Yes, yes. All the E2E projects will be in the batch 3.0. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, batch 1 to 3, what is the difference? So the difference is this one, guys. As I've already told you, right? This is the difference. And the batch 1 was mainly not having more projects. And as you see, I'm keeping the projects also on real-time basis, right? And batch 1 was 2 hours class. So this is 3 hours class. And you see job support, and your resume reviews, mock interviews, and your interview questions from scratch. I will design your next 2 months journey. That is what the confidence I'm giving. Okay. So yes, I hope I have made it sense. Yes. Now you see, Grafana is basically unify your data, not your database, right? So Grafana doesn't require you to ingest data to backend store or vendor. It doesn't have any database. Instead, Grafana takes unique approach to providing single pane of glass, that is dashboards, right? It just gives the dashboards, right? Data everyone can see, guys. Grafana was built on principle that data should be accessible to everyone, right? So data is available to everyone, right? One of the good things, dashboards that anyone can use. So if you are a team of 100 DevOps engineers, right? So you can see like dashboards can be shared, right? Dashboards share and used. Okay. Flexibility and versatility. That's what I was telling, right? You can transform your dashboard to any type, right? So yeah, sorry for this. Transform your dashboard to any design. All are clear? My handwriting is clear, guys? Or are you feeling like, array, what is this going on? Are you clear? Yes, no? Yes, clear? Yes, Manjunatha, you can visit everything, right? All of you got it? You will have the live sessions. You will have the recorded sessions also for batch 3.0. You will have my class notes. You will have my PDF documents. You will have the document of every hands-on. Okay, got it? Yes. Ivy, वही तो मैंने बोला कि that's what I told, right? You will get the details in your what you call in your batch 3.0. Okay, so if anyone is interested to join batch 3.0, very few hours left. The link is in the YouTube description, right? At the same time, it will be available on the chat, live chat. I have pinned the comment, right? I have pinned the comment, right? So you see, I have, okay, not this one. I have commented somewhere, right? So you can see that. Okay, all are clear? Yes, all are clear? Now let's move forward, right? Please like the video, guys. It's very much important. Okay, someone was telling something to me. Okay, MBK is telling enrolled. That's really good. Bash 3 is on YouTube or any other platform like Zoom. Bash 3 will be completely on my website. It will not be available on YouTube. It's completely available on website, right? So please try to understand. It will be the next level of content what you are watching with me, right? It will be the very new content which you are watching with me, right? So make sure you are enrolling to the course, right? Before today, right? It means like today 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Before that you enroll, right? So that's what the thing is, right? All of you clear? Yes. Shall we move forward? Yes. Great. Awesome. So let's move forward. So yes, all of you have understood. So let's see what can be done using the Grafana. All of you see Grafana is just a dashboard, guys. So you see it gives this, it gives this, it gives this, it gives this, basically metrics. You can design your metrics as per your choice. You can design metrics in dashboard as per your way, right? So that is what is important. So you see here we have application integration, guys. See GitHub integrated with Grafana, Datadog integrated with Grafana, right? Your Snowflake integrated with Grafana and other tools, right? So Grafana can be integrated with tools. Grafana can be integrated with your applications. Grafana can be integrated with your infra, right? And you can create and pull out the metrics, logs, and traces. Yes, clear? All of you clear? Yes, na? Correct? Great. Awesome. Awesome. Now you see, Grafana is also similar like Splunk in terms of alerts, right? And rules, right? We set some rules. Let's take like CPU percentage 90%, then send alert, right? Something like this we can put it, right? Got it? Now you see, we have the integration with various applications, as I've told you, right? So if you see this, right? If you see Grafana is getting integrated with which tools, guys? Which tools? See CloudWatch, Elasticsearch, MySQL database, InfluxDB, Graphite, right? What else? Akamai, ClickHouse. So if you tell, like Grafana can be integrated with Prometheus also. Okay. So any other tool do you think that Grafana can be integrated? Any other things which you feel that? Yes, got it. Prometheus can be integrated. Any other tools do you think? What is BMC? IoT. What is BMC? Vijay? Sai Krishna? What is BMC, guys? What is that? Elasticsearch. Yes, definitely. Elasticsearch can be integrated. Any other tools? Do you remember? Like what are the other tools we can integrate with this? Jenkins. What do you need from Jenkins? Okay, guys, for joining batch 3.0, you don't need any knowledge. You just come directly to my class, right? And I will make sure that you get good amount of knowledge there, right? DB database, everything, right? Everything you can get it. So before we go to the project 2, right? Now tell me how many of you are going to join the batch 3, right? So tell me how many of you are going to join the batch 3. Give me a yes in the next few hours so that I can come to know that you all are with me, or what are your thoughts, right? How many of you are going to join batch 3 before I show you the project 2, right? Joined Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. I'm interested. Yes. What about others? Any questions? Any queries? What do you think? Okay, already joined. What about others? Okay, joined. Great. Joined. So many things. Yes. What about others? I'm interested. Yes, Rohit. Definitely, I will see you in the class, everyone. What about others? Guys, if you are in the class now, just talk with me, right? If I know what are you thinking, right? Will you be joining the batch 3.0, right? In the next few hours? Because see what happens, right? If you don't join, then cost will be increased. Then you will be in the again bad state, like, okay, I increased the cost or my team decided to increase the cost, right? So there is always a reason where we want always the people who are really interested in this flow, right? So that's the reason, like, we want to get the students who are actually looking to change career, and those who want to become like me at least, right? If I'm talking to you, I'm putting some energy with you. I'm making sure you are getting the best projects. I'm making sure you are getting the best hands-on. I'm making sure I will deliver you the class notes, the PDFs, the end-to-end solutions for your job search, right? So tell me, like, anyone else is interested? Yes, Praveen is telling, planning to join, very much interested. What about others? What is the process? Just click on this, just go to the description, click on the link of enroll now, and it will take you to my website, right? Yes, Honey is telling, I will be joining batch 3.0. This is my first class, Shreyan. So go to the link in the description, and you will get all the details, right? Go to the link and it will redirect to the website, and you can click on the enroll now and it will take you to the page, right? Remedy, what is that remedy? I didn't get, Vikas, right? Anyone else? Yes, I think people are there who are interested. Let me know. You can comment down after the live session on this video, right? If any questions, what is your thought, right? And I will definitely reply on top of that, and I will make sure you all get the best data, right? And any other queries? Any other questions? Interested? Yes. Any other queries? Any other questions? No queries, no questions. Yes. What about people on LinkedIn? All good. Shall we go to the project 2? Yes. Shall we go to the project 2? Yes. Great. That's great, Honey. Right. Okay. People on LinkedIn, if you want to join, right, please join today only. And please don't complain me like you missed something or the cost is high tomorrow, right? So make sure you are with me, right? And I will help the best, right? Okay. Uh, Great. Let's go to the project 2 for everyone's sake. So yes, so guys, this is what the project 2 will be. Tomorrow, what we will be seeing in the project 2, all of you see. So tomorrow we will be installing Grafana. Tomorrow we will be installing Grafana, installing Docker, installing MySQL DB on AWS, right? And we will be integrating Grafana and MySQL database. So integration we will do. On Docker, we are going to do MySQL database setup, right? So we have to create DB, insert, okay, sorry. Create DB, create table, create rows, right? I mean columns, right? Insert data. So all those things tomorrow you will learn with me, guys. Are you getting what is the end goal? You are not just learning DevOps with Praveen. Are you getting? Oh, you are not seeing my screen. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let me share my screen. I missed that. Okay, all of you see here. So this is the project 2 which we are going to design tomorrow. Yes. Now are you seeing everyone? Yes. Are you seeing now? Yes. Thanks, Shivaji. Okay, able to see, right? Now let's see what are the things we have planned for you. This is Grafana. This is MySQL database. This is your AWS. This is your Docker. So tomorrow what we are going to do, install Grafana, right? Install Docker, install database on AWS, and we will integrate everything together. And we will create database. We will create table. We will create schema for table. Okay, we will create schema for table tomorrow. Hands-on, everything is hands-on, right? Okay, everything is hands-on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, create schema and insert data. So guys, tell me, what did you understand with my hands-on projects? What did you understand? At least 10 people you have to tell me, right? What did you understand with this? Okay, what did you understand with my projects, with my setup, right? Can you tell me? Anyone? What did you understand? Guys, I am asking what you understood. Please reply. Understand, I don't know. Okay. No, I am asking what is the notion inside your mind? What are you thinking with this? Tracking MySQL queries, logs, sending it to Grafana, real hands-on practice, flow of data through various tools, create images in Docker. What else? Full E2E integration of tools and how data flows. What else you are seeing? And please take the screenshot of this, right? Please take the screenshot of this and please put it on the LinkedIn. Please put it on Instagram, right? And please share with your friends, right? The channel link, please ask them to subscribe, right? EC2, Docker, MySQL, Grafana for dashboards. I understood DevOps is easy by seeing your real-time projects. That's great. That's great. What else you understood? What else? What else you understood? Okay. Real-time integrations, real-time monitoring. That's great, right? So we all are learning something new, right? Yes. Share this video on YouTube. It is present in YouTube. It is present in YouTube. Integration, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. In project 2, this is project 2. Tomorrow, hands-on. Clear? Clear? Yes. All of you clear, guys? Yes. Now, before going to the next Prometheus, right? Before going to the Prometheus. Okay, why you are not drinking water? Yes, I forgot to drink. Let me drink some water. Okay, that's awesome. So tell me one thing, guys. All of you see here. So tomorrow we are going to see 2 projects, right? No, Docker is not done, right? Docker will be done in your batch 3.0, right? Okay, all of you see here. Tomorrow we are seeing this. Tomorrow's hands-on, right? And I would say if anyone is willing to still join, I see few seats are left. So if anyone with this offer, right? If anyone wants to check just type this praveensinghampalli.com, right? .com, go to batch 3 and enroll yourself, right? Enroll yourself, right? I will wait for 2 minutes before I go to the next Prometheus data. Please enroll those who said yes. I will wait for you, and eventually I will have some more water, right? So I was shouting for almost 2 hours, right? Please, you can check the details, right? All of you, I have pinned in the comment section also. Please go ahead and let me know your thoughts. I will wait for you. Okay, any queries, any questions, because I will be available on live for some more time, so please. Okay, I will wait. This is like your 2 minutes small break, right? You can check the website for batch 3, right? And please enroll yourself. I will wait for 3 more students to watch this website, right? Everything will be available on the website, the live sessions, the recordings, the videos, the PDFs, the data. It's basically the learning management tool for you, right? And that's how the things goes. All of you clear, right? Yes. All the slides you will get it in batch 3, right? And anyways, I'm sharing the hands-on documents in Telegram channel, right? See, Sai, having a career gap, we all have to work together. I am not sure 8 years of gap, how you can fill it, but for learning, you can definitely join, right? That will be my honest answer, right? I will not be like, you will get it, right? I don't know, like for 8 years gap, how actually we will put it, the details, right? At least you will get what you need. I can tell that, right? All the projects, why you have joined here today, Kishore, you wanted to learn something new, right? And you are learning. So similarly, you will learn the best in my classes and you will get it. Clear? All of you? Yes. One more student to get enrolled and we are good to go. One more student, please. Anyone, those who want to get enrolled? Please check the website completely, right? And please post your questions if you have any questions. Yes, great. Okay. Yes, let's move to the Prometheus now. So basically, what does this Prometheus do? Now we are seeing different types of tools at every point of time, right? Okay. Now you see what are the things we are going to do. You see Prometheus, right? Now Prometheus is basically again your scraping tool, by the way, right? So first we have seen log-based tools, log-based tool. Next we have seen dashboard-based tool, and this one is scraping-based tool. No, you don't need to know, Vignesh. I will tell everything from scratch. Okay. Now this is what you need to know. Prometheus, the main components of Prometheus are Prometheus server, push gateway, exporters, alert manager. Okay, all of you clear? Right. Now you see how this design looks like. So you see, Prometheus is integrated with your Kubernetes. Yes, no? Yes, no? Scraping means extracting data, pulling the data. Okay. Yes, non-IT experienced guys can get it. Okay. Non-IT experience can move into DevOps. That is for sure. Okay. Now you see, scraping of data means pulling or extracting the data from the Kubernetes. Okay. Now you see what Prometheus server is having. HTTP server, right? It is having HTTP server. It is having time series database, and it is having retrieval mechanism, and everything is stored on the disk, hard disk, or whatever the disk you feel. Now you see push gateway, alert manager, Grafana. So basically what we are trying to do now, we are integrating Prometheus and your Grafana. Okay, so all the scraping logs or scraping data will be shown on the Grafana dashboard. All of you are clear? Yes. Got it? Great. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Right? Yes. Great. Now all of you see here what the thing actually happens is, right? You all see here some things are happening. Okay. So now this Prometheus server is there, which is extracting. Okay, I will use another color. Okay. Now the Prometheus server is there, which is extracting the data from the Kubernetes, and it is sending the data to your Grafana. Okay. Now there is an alert manager. If my CPU percent is more than 90%, right? If my memory is completed, send me an alert over email, send me an alert or notify anywhere, right? So Prometheus does alerting, and Prometheus has pull metrics, as I've told you, scraping the data. Okay, scraping the data, and all the data is stored on disk. Okay, and it has a database also, database which is time series DB. Okay, so all the data, all the logs which are flowing in that database are stored based on the timestamp. Okay, clear with this? Exporters. So what Prometheus does is, whenever Prometheus wants to get the logs, right, it will install an agent, and that is called your exporters. Okay, all are clear with this? I think I have made this more scribble, but yes, I hope it is good for you, right? Understanding, is your understanding clear? What does this Prometheus actually do? Yes. Yes, no? Correct? Clear? Got it? Great. Now, let me tell you one more thing. So whatever the tools we have seen till now, yes, all of you see, tomorrow's project will be project 1 and project 2, right? So whatever tools you have seen today, and I have divided into the 2 projects, and Spring Boot. Okay, Spring Boot. Okay, so both the things will be happening on Spring Boot. Clear? All are clear? Yes. What about people on LinkedIn? Are you all clear with this, what we have discussed till now? Any questions? Confused? Okay, Anish, what's your question? Can you tell me? What's your question? What confusion you have? I'm happy to clear your confusion. Please tell me. Yes, Harish, as I've told you, you can enroll it. Yes, I have students who have migrated from what you call the hard disk management, right, in Dell to your DevOps. I have students who have converted from BPO to DevOps. So I think that should be good. Okay, so you don't need anything, Vignesh. That should be completely fine. So Anish, I'm still waiting for you. Okay, Hani is asking, Prometheus basically collects and stores the logs, and Grafana visualize it. Am I getting correct? Yes, it collects the logs, it stores the logs, and it sends the data to Grafana, right? Basically, once the integration is happening, right? Yes, no? Clear? So how many likes we have? How many likes we have on the video? How the logs was converted? Okay, how the logs was converted agent? Okay, I didn't get your question. Okay, second project is not clear. So let's see the second project and I will tell you what the log is. So second project is this one, which we are going to discuss tomorrow. We will integrate Grafana with MySQL database. We will host all the things in Docker as container, and this Docker will be running on your AWS, and we will create MySQL database, MySQL tables, MySQL insert statements, queries, and everything you will see. And basically in my class, you are not just a DevOps engineer, right? In my class, you are a web dev, you are a DBA, you are a DevOps, and you are an SRE, right? And probably you might be an automation also, right? And in batch 3.0, right, advanced level of these things you will see whatever you are seeing on YouTube, right? So you understand how content I make, right? So you got how content I make, how I make sure ki you should get the things right. I make sure ki how design patterns I make, right, in order to make sure you get the details, right? It will be more advanced than what I'm telling, right? So definitely join batch 3. Okay, but how queries will generate logs? Logs are generated by alert log files of RDBMS. How queries will generate logs? See, queries have not generated logs, right? Queries have helped us to pull the logs. That's it. Okay. Will the Spring Boot have front end? No, front end we are not going, right? Spring Boot is a backend application, right? And it's directly with the REST API concept. Okay. Okay. Any questions, guys, you have? Again, let me tell you one more thing. Yes. So I'm sharing my screen. So all of you see, this is my website. You have to go to the courses section. So I have taught many of the students. My students have placed in various companies. And you see, I have cracked Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, EPAM, all these things. And yes, people are enrolling. Nitish has enrolled, right? So you see, right, once you come into this courses, right, you will see batch 3, right, which is starting from 27th May, right? 8 weeks, preparation for mock interviews, resume guidance, doubts clearing session, everything. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, 3+ hours of core teaching, right? And if you want to enroll, you can enroll here, right? First session is on 27th May. 6 hours left for your early bird offer. Again, the cost will be increased because I am putting so much efforts. My team is putting so much efforts. And the highest package, yes, Sumithana has enrolled. So 30 LPA is the highest package, right? 30 LPA was highest package from my batch 1 and batch 2, right? Yes, Nikunj has enrolled. You all see here the screens are getting flashed, right? So I can hide this comment also for you all. Yes. So you see Nikunj has enrolled, right? So if you want to get any details of the course content, right? Terraform is here. So what are the course content? You come to here, preview, and you will get the entire content here, right? AWS infra setup. Suppose you want to get on the chatbot, right? Chatbot. Yes. If you want to create your own bot, which listens your data. So you see, this is your chatbot, right? Topics. So, and if you want to see how the batch 2 students have given the data. So if you come here in the batch 2, which is recorded, okay. So you see here how the batch 2 students and my students are placed in various organizations, okay. So now you see on the batch 2, see these are the students placements. So all of you see Kesaya, Deloitte, right? Deloitte, you see Deloitte, you see 13 LPA 1 lakh joining bonus, work from home opportunity. You see Walmart SRE IN3, right? You see Zynga SRE engineer, right? You see Bharti Airtel DevOps engineer, right? So this is the pattern where my previous students have got placed. And if you want to see what students have to talk about the batches, this is for batch 2, right? I have almost 5-star rating for every session. So you can see all the reviews here, right? So you can see load more, right? People are telling best decision I have made in this year, best teacher, right? So I want everyone to join and be the part, right? It just hardly takes, maybe you buy a costly shoe, you buy some clothes for yourself, right? But actually you are building empire for yourself in next 2 months, right? So that's where we are aiming for our betterment, right? I am going to give you the best data, the best projects, guys. The projects will be far more better than what you are seeing in this class, right? So you see a girl is telling Power Savita, best decision I've made in this year, enrolling this course, best teacher. I really love this course. Please add one CICD project end to end like Sonarqube. So see guys, so I have not given in the batch 2, but because of this review, I will give in the batch 3 the end to end design for you. Okay, so let's see what are the other reviews we are having. So see, that person is giving 5-star, but he has given a feedback, right? So you see, I want to truly take a moment to express my appreciation. So yes, all of you see here, right? Appreciation. Your teaching style is both engaging and effective, and I'm truly grateful for the impact that you have made. Yes, Senthil has enrolled in the course, right? And we have made heavy learnings. Your explanations are clear, easy to follow. Thank you for all the efforts. And yes, this I have shown you, right? So very in-depth lectures. I'm sure this will help in future, right? So see, reviews are coming in, guys. It's not stopping. See, Rajesh, what he has to tell. I have seen Praveen's session in various platforms. So I have enrolled for batch 2. Thank you for great course, Praveen. You're taking about real-time examples. It is easy to understand for even freshers. So that's what I was telling, right? So people have to understand how much efforts we are making, right? And this course has met more than my expectations, guys, right? That's what we have to understand, right? How I'm giving in less cost, right? In market you will see many more things, but in less cost how you get more, right? That's what I'm targeting, right? Akansha Balsare, she is one of the person in LinkedIn. You can talk with her, right? She was a batch 2 student. Yes, so all are happy. Yes, all are happy. Good. Is it from scratch to advanced? Yes, it will be from scratch to advanced. Please, okay. Please try to make from your wallet, right? It will not have any issue. Please try in another website or something, right? And you will get the things, right? Clear? Any other questions? See, I'm going through your session, learning from your project. We come to know that these are type of projects available. Great, Vignesh. That's really great to know. I'll stop screen share. I will talk with you all for a few minutes. Right? All of you clear, right? All of you clear? I have students from USA, maybe your UK, your what you call your London, right? UK itself, your Canada, right? So I have many students across various platforms, right? All of you clear, right? Okay, let me do one thing. Those who are having issues with the payment gateway, I will just ask my team to do the changes accordingly, right? So any questions, please put down. Please put down on the chat and I will be answering your questions. Any questions you have, please tell me. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Any questions, guys? I will be giving the best knowledge, trust me, the best guidance for the next 2 months, right? All of you got it, right? What I'm telling? Any questions you have? Yes. My payment also failed. I have done the payment with PayPal now. Okay. For PayPal, please try one more time, right? Please try. Yes, Naresh, you will get it. No issues. No issues. You will get it. You will get the details. Telegram link is there. Please join. Yes. Weekend. Yes. No, it will not affect the office hours. Okay. Please try now. If any of your payment has been failed, right, please try now. Please try now, everyone. And if your payment is, just make sure you don't do the double payments. Yes. Any queries, guys? Any queries you have? I would be happy to help you. Yes. Telegram link. Okay, you want to join in the, okay, it will be DevOps with web dev. Check in the other descriptions. Okay, I would have not added here, but yeah, in the other descriptions I have added. So yes, that's all for today's class. I think we are good. Those who have any issues, I would like to tell you, please mail here. I will show the banner. I will edit it. Please mail, right? singhambadge3@gmail.com. You can mail it here, right? I will put it in the comments. Yes, you can mail it here, singhambadge3@gmail.com. If you face any issues, right? singhambadge3@gmail.com, right? So yes, I hope I have made the class a good one, right? We will meet in tomorrow's session, right? Project 1 and Project 2, your hands-on will be there tomorrow. So do join. And please do share the channel link with your friends, and we'll definitely meet in the coming days. Okay. This is Singham signing off. Please join tomorrow's class, tomorrow's session. Okay. Yes. Good. All are good. Yes. All are good. Guys, are you there? Excuse me. Yes. All are silent now. I don't know. Able to hear me? People on LinkedIn, what about you all? Yes. No. Okay. Yes. See you tomorrow. Thank you for an amazing session. Great. Thank you all for joining. Don't miss to leave the batch 3, right? And within 5 hours, I think the coupon code will get auto expire, by the way, right? So I don't have any control. It is managed by the team. So make sure you are with me, right? So this is Singham signing off. See you all in tomorrow's project session. Thank you all for joining again. It was really great hosting you all, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.